So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at this super cool set of 6 cups. I feel like these are the best for any kitchen scenario, especially if you find yourself needing something smaller. And so in this set, we do have 3 with the white base and then a blue design. And then we have 3 with the blue base and white design, all of which looks super nice. We do have some floral designs here. We have more symmetrical diamond designs here. And you kind of just get a little bit of everything while keeping consistent with the colorway. So for the total width of these cups, they are going to be 3.5 inches, while the height is a total of 2.3 inches. So if you were to fill this with liquid, max capacity would be about 6 ounces, and that's filling it all the way up to the rim. But a normal filling just right under would be about 5 ounces. So what's going to make this set so great for any kitchen scenario, it's going to be in its versatility. So here on the bottom you can see the brand. You can see that they're made out of porcelain, and then they're dishwasher safe, freezer safe, oven safe, and food grade. So if you're trying to use this set for baking and you like making muffins, brownies, then these are possibly the best options that you can get. You get 6 total. The versatility of these cups really just makes them so great. According to the brand, these will withstand -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you need these for like baking, or maybe for like yogurt or a snack, or even just a sauce, these really are just a no-brainer for any kitchen scenario. Highly recommended.